best part about our community, it's extremely small, but they make a great impact. Like Ratan Tata and these kind of people are an inspiration to us. But the main thing about Parsis, we call them Bavas.
Bavas.
Like we have a saying called Khawanu Pivanu Majani. I am a typical Sagittarius. I love my freedom. I love space. I love adventure. Like I'm brutally honest on the face, so I can't stand liars. My career is very important to me, so like I don't like people who are control freaks.
हमारे हिंदी टीवी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, ध्यान से बेल आइकॉन जरूर दबाएं।
हाय एवरीबॉडी, नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माय क्यूट लिटिल शो जिसका नाम है स्पाइस इट अप विद तन्वी। और आज मेरे शो में वो ऐसी हसीना दिलरुबा आई है हु इज डन इट ऑल। शी वाज अ मॉडल, एन एक्टर, एन एंटरप्रेन्योर। आई थिंक उन्होंने सब कुछ किया है। शी इज बीन अ मॉडल सिंस द एज ऑफ 17। उन्होंने टीवी किया है, शी इज डन पीआर, उन्होंने इवेंट्स किए हैं, शी इज होस्टेड शोज। आई मीन मैं बोलते बोलते थक जाऊंगी, बट दिस गर्ल विल नेवर स्टॉप वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर हर ड्रीम्स एंड हर गोल्स। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए वाबीज दराब जी का।
Thank you. My God, you really do give me competition in talking. I hope this segment doesn't go on forever. जितना हम दोनों बात करते हैं.
Aru will kill us. She will send me messages. Well, Tanvi, now bus.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction.
Please tell me कि आपका जो नाम है इतना सुंदर है, इतना difficult है. What does it mean?
Yeah, hats off to you. You said properly, Wabis.
Wabis.
Well, I'm a Parsi, so it's a Persian name. And like yeah, when I was small, even I was very depressed with my name. When I went to school, I was like, what have you guys named me? Because nobody would understand. Like people would call me Barbie, Borbies.
But Barbie suits you also.
But as a child, it was not good, yeah. So it's Wabis and it's Persian. It means blessed by God.
Of course, you are. So आप बचपन से इतने सुंदर थे कि अभी ज़्यादा हो गए?
नहीं, actually no credit only goes to me. Like mom.
The
mom and
genes.
dad, like totally they look like foreigners.
Really?
Yeah, so there's no hard work out there. Like,
ये मुझे मिला है बचपन।
लेकिन एक चीज है, पहले मैं बहुत ज्यादा पतली थी एंड आई डू थिंक दैट आफ्टर आई इनफैक्ट पुट ऑन वेट आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग बेटर। Like seriously, मेरे साथ उल्टा हुआ है।
That's so good. Works in your favor.
Yeah, it's working in my favor very well.
Tell me कि आप मेरे ज़्यादा पारसी friends हैं नहीं. So how is it like in that? What's the culture like? What's the upbringing like? क्या ऐसे कौन से stereotype है जो सच में true है about Parsis? I'm a Marwari. So they're legit कंजूस. I have seen them.
My friend Tanvi is also, she's a kachi.
कंजूस I'm sure.
No, she's a kachi. I'm not saying kanjus or anything.
But what is this one stereotype about Parsis which is
Well, the best part about our community, it's extremely small, but they make a great impact. Like Ratan Tata and these kind of people are an inspiration to us. But the main thing about Parsis, we call them Bavas.
Bavas.
Like we have a saying called Khawanu Pivanu Majani. So like we like it's like work hard but party harder also. So we have this motto. And that's why if you will see like most of the Parsis, they're very lively and full of life, and they will
very enthusiastic.
Yeah, enthusiastic. They love their food and they love to party and have get-togethers and everything.
Actually, no, I have.
And also, as I said, hardworking community.
Very hardworking community. Like I remember, no, I have one acquaintance, not even friend. When she lost weight, उनकी mother-in-law got so upset. She's like, तुम पतली क्यों हो गई? तुम अच्छी खासी अच्छी healthy थी, and she really got into fitness, and then abs आ गए. And then she said, अब खाना कौन खाएगा?
So that's the same in my house. So my brother is a complete fitness model, but my parents are always upset with him. They're like, why don't you eat normal food? We all are eating, like we all are eating, and he doesn't eat.
Wow.
So yeah, even they get very upset with him.
Like मैं इतनी shocked. I was culturally
They're
shocked.
just very positive and they just want the best for you.
Best of it, yeah. And मेरे को लग रहा था मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला. मेरे mom dad are like, बेटा मैं अगर गुलाब जामुन खा रही होती बेटा बस अच्छा लग रहा है ना तुम्हें बस करो.
Yeah.
And cut to I went to her house for one like meal and I was like I'm stuffed for 3 days. Like I can't eat anymore.
Oh yeah, my mom does the same too. I've seen people rolling on the floor. Like people, she just keeps feeding them like खिला के मारना. That's literally my mother.
That's so nice. So आपको बचपन से acting करना था like or that this was not a plan?
I'm an accidental actor. I never thought I'll become an actor. I didn't even know acting का ये.
फिर कब सीखे आपने एक्टिंग, लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड?
Actually, see, I believe a lot in destiny and luck, and I also believe a lot on, you know, when you're in the right time at the right place. Like, I totally believe in that. Like, hard work to hai hi, but your hard work won't pay off till you don't have luck.
Correct.
Because I see so many people who are hardworking, I feel so bad for them. They don't get opportunities, or you know, like अगर किसी को ऐसे मिल रहा है तो उनको like सालों तक नहीं मिलेगा, you know. So I think there's something to really do with your luck and destiny.
100%.
So I though never wanted to get in acting. I was always a model. Like from Pune only, I was a model. Started when I was 17.
Wow.
Yeah, so I had a stepping stone from Pune actually. So then I started doing a lot of shows. Even in Pune that time, that was a great market.
Wow.
And that is how that led me to Bombay. And I was with one agency and everything. So things just kept moving. But actually, it all comes from parents' upbringing. Because, you know, first of all, my dad was not very happy about me going. But then he said, if you're going, then what is your goal? Like, because even my father's 28, when he's a number one, he doesn't let me sit. अगर मेरे भाई और मुझे बैठना भी है, we can't sit.
My dad's like that too.
Yeah, exactly. So, but I think we should really thank them. Because today, everything I feel that time I thought my dad is so strict, but actually it pushed me. So he told me that what are you doing? Like modeling is not enough. And at that moment it was very annoying as a kid to listen to all this. I was like, "Arey, I'm doing well."
So much.
मेरे hoardings तो उनके office के बाहर ही रहते थे. I was like, "Isn't he proud of me?" But he said, "No, it's not enough. Otherwise you come home. That blackmail all the time." So in that push, I said, okay, I'll start auditioning. And like, I think, again, luck. I just gave few auditions and I got my first show, Pyar Ki Kahani.
And that was such a good...
Yeah, which is iconic. Like,
Iconic
till
show.
today, one of the best shows.
मैं वही पूछने वाली थी, like people still call you Panju, like do you
Yeah.
do they call you?
My family says you've not done any other work or what? Everywhere I go with anybody, people are like, Panchi, people give.
इतनी सुंदर, and it was one of the best shows. Like, I think it was one of my favorite shows, 100%.
Definitely.
Like,
No, but honestly, not because I was part of it, but it was a show which was ahead of its time.
it was
Like literally like a Indian version of Vampire Diaries.
Vampire Diaries,
Yeah.
और it worked, you know. अभी लोग इतना काम करते हैं to make some supernatural shows which won't work. Like, it requires some sort of...
No, it was on a channel like Star One, but still like till today today all those kids are grown up. So even I realized today how popular that show was. Like, pehle I think we were too busy working at that point, but today when I step out in public and people are still calling me Panchi, I'm like, how do they even remember? Like, it's too shocking for me also.
You are God's child. Your name is true to your life. With that, we'll take a छोटा सा break and then we'll talk about the thing that I love.
Okay.
Take a break. Bye. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's so weird. मतलब मैं पहली बार थोड़ा conscious feel हो रही हूँ because you're also a host, right? You've hosted your own show, Showbiz with Wabiz. So like, अगर what was your favorite part about hosting?
Well, my favorite part about hosting was again people's person.
है ना?
So like all my friends.
तो thrive करते हैं हम.
Yeah, and secondly, especially my friends who I anyways meet them and I chill with them and they're coming in that setup and this chatting with me and chilling with me. It was so much fun.
It is fun.
Like it was a great show, yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मुझे देखना है. आप
Yeah,
मुझे,
sure.
you have to
I'll send you the episode.
Done.
So we had a lot of celebrities and they all were so sweet and so cooperative and they played games and they chatted. So that's the best part. And they like, Wabis has this knack of removing all the secrets of everybody.
So it works.
Yeah, so I was like, okay.
Tell me who's been like your, मैं हिंदी में, मुझे अरुण ने मैसेज किया हिंदी में बोलो तन्वी, तो मैं हिंदी में पूछने वाली हूँ. So we'll try to talk in Hindi because
मैं भी try ही कर सकती हूँ. बोलिए.
हिंदी TV and Spice anyway.
Yeah, I read Hindi but we only spoke in English.
तो मुझे अभी मैसेज आया she's like हिंदी में बात करो तन्वी. I was like ठीक है.
मैं भी try ही कर सकती हूँ. हाँ बोलो.
तो मुझे बताओ कि आपने इतने साल आप थे इस इंडस्ट्री में हो, तो आपके सबसे क्लोजेस्ट कौन थे जो आपके साथ थ्रू थिक एंड थिन एंड आप उनको 3 बजे भी कॉल करोगे दे विल बी देयर फॉर यू?
Well, I have a lot of good friends from the industry. Like, लेकिन सबसे पहले when I came to Bombay जब मैं यहाँ आई थी, like the sweetest family I met was Meet Brothers. they are like family to me. हम कुछ ही दिन पहले गणपति भी बना रहे थे. Like they were the first ones to welcome me. I was a kid and you know they were so sweet to me, which I can never forget. तो Meet Brothers थे. फिर along the way you know बहुत सारे friends बनी. I'm very close to शशांक व्यास. और फिर वो भी बहुत बहुत अच्छा genuine लड़का है. And there's like Mr. Indresh Malik, he was right now in Hira Mandi.
Oh.
Like, I don't know if you've seen Hira Mandi.
I have seen Hira
yeah,
Mandi.
So the main guy, like, who played that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so they are like family to me, he and his like wife, Leena. They are like, because I like more family-oriented people. Then when I was doing Pyar Ki Kahani, I really hit it off with Siddhant Karnik, like, who was an animal right now.
Of course.
He's the one who has the house in Nasik also.
Oh.
So Sid and me are extremely close, and his mom is like my mom. So I made a lot of friends, and I am extremely close to my best friend Mrinmay Kolvalkar. She's a Marathi actress. So yeah, and there's my friend Tanvi Thakkar. Tanvi, the most talkative Tanvis. Like Tanvi and me met in Pyar Ki Kahani, and it's been today I don't know how many years, 2010, and we're still friends.
कितना सही है ये.
Yeah.
Do you think अभी TV के जो relationships बनते हैं like on set they are not very like बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने इतने लोगों से बात की ना जो मेरे शो में थे, लाइक नो हम जो सेट पर थे ना द बॉन्डिंग वाज समथिंग एल्स, अभी नहीं होता है. मैंने ऐसे क्यों सब यही बोल रहे हैं?
आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि मैंने तो काफी सालों से ब्रेक लिया था, बट इसलिए मैं बोल रही थी कि वो शो में लाइक आई वाज वेरी लकी, आई अर्न सम पीपल इन रजनीकांत आल्सो. लाइक लकली तन्वी थी मेरे साथ, तो तन्वी और मैं दोनों ही भाभीज बनी थी, तो वी यूज्ड टू नॉट हैव टू एक्ट ऑन ही, हमारे एक्सप्रेशंस इतने नेचुरल होते थे. प्लस उसमें पल्लवी जी है, पल्लवी प्रधान, हु इज आल्सो अ वेरी बिग एक्टर. राइट नाउ शी इज कमिंग इन घूमे, शी इज लाइक माय मॉम, आई कॉल हर मॉम. सो यू नो लाइक तन्वी थी, मेहुल निसर थे, सो like made some great bonds from there also. So like yeah, there have been great friends in the industry. There's Manini Day. Like so anytime I need any advice, she's my unpaid therapist. So there are some really good people in the industry, and Ankit Tiwari hai, he and his wife are like family to me.
So nice.
काफी अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
अच्छे, that's very touch wood.
Yeah.
अभी everything is so you know accessible. जैसे social media instant gratification है, there are dating apps, instantly you will get someone that. तो अभी what's your take on like love and like relationships, anything in general that's जो हमारे दिल को अच्छा feel करवाता है, like love. I love love and all.
Yeah, but you know this is very worrisome, as you said, that everything is so instant. So that is actually quite scary also, because today people are not really into deep love. They just think okay, इससे breakup हो गया तो next move on, अभी ये dating app पे इसको swipe करो. So that's very shallow, yeah. And I am still very old school. Like I have the best parents who are married for 40 years, who are like best friends. You know, they travel together, they party together, they are into singing together, business, everything. So I want to love like my parents, you know, a everlasting love. Like, and of course, one thing I do realize, like for love, you have to be partners, and when you say partners, means equal partnership. Okay, because today when girls are very independent, so I would just simply want to, you know, look for a partner who's at least an equal partner, you know, to me, not treat me like a doormat, and you know, who's supportive of me, not insecure and jealous. And you know, who also supports me in my career, because I love my career. So I feel if you know what your partner loves, you should let your partner be free.
Exactly.
You know, and that's exactly what I've seen with my mom, dad.
Really.
So like, I want to love like that.
Same. Like मुझे इतना same लग रहा है मेरे parents के साथ अगर कहानी बोल रहे, because I remember my mom was 19 when she got married to my dad. My dad was 21.
My mom was 21.
Really. And then मेरी मम्मा ने सारी पढ़ाई she did after she got married to my dad, and then she became like a PhD, doctorate and MA.
Wow.
And just because मेरी मम्मा had to, मतलब मम्मा को exams क्या होता था, तो मेरे पापा ने ठीक है मैं भी MA कर लेता हूँ, just so that I can come with you to the examination hall.
Exactly.
And I was
That's
like, ये क्या हो रहा है ये घर में, ये कितना प्यार उमड़ रहा है इस घर से.
But this is what is missing today, na?
Really. And then my mom, she's a topper. वो first आई उसके batch में, and my dad failed. तो मम्मा ने बोला मैंने आपको सब copy, मतलब she was literally उसके आगे, because Malhar same surname, my dad couldn't even copy. तो she's like आप fail कैसे हो गए? And she was crying for him. मैंने आप first आई हो, आप तो खुश हो जाओ. नहीं मेरा पति है. क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah, but that's what, this is the kind of love which is missing today. Like my parents being Parsi, but they had a very filmy marriage.
Yeah.
Like 5 years they courted, and there was a big problem between the families, and I wouldn't get
Full
into
drama.
details, but full drama. Like there was no coming of drama. You can make a film on them. But the thing is how they fought for each other. And today, sadly, there is no man who really wants to fight for any woman. I've hardly come across anybody because I just feel if you love someone, you can move mountains. Today, like it is so convenient. Like people are like, that's what I'm saying, nahi ban rahi hai, nahi pat rahi hai, divorce chahiye, chalo swipe next. That is what scares me. And this is today maybe technology is good, but it's also becoming a hazard.
Hazard.
Yeah.
What's the way to woo you? What should a man do to get you?
For me, I am a typical Sagittarius. I love my freedom. I love space. I love adventure. Like, I'm brutally honest on the face, so I can't stand liars. Like, I think for me, as I told you, I'm just looking for an equal partnership. Like someone, who can just probably travel with me, do adventure with me, like, laugh with me. And my career is very important to me. So, like, I don't like people who are control freaks. Ye mat karo, wo mat karo, why you going there, why? I'm telling you, Sagittarians को तो allergy ही है ऐसी चीज़ों से. So, भाई मैं एक partner ढूंढ रही हूँ, मैं दादाजी नहीं ढूंढ रही हूँ. So, like, so I'm just looking for an equal partnership. Like, today, men and women, they do everything equally. Like, men even cook, Like, you cook around the house, you do something like that. That's the kind of love, that's how you can woo me. It's not all about material or money. It's
because money we have.
Yeah, today girls are independent. They don't really need it. It's the small things that
It's
count.
the small things, 100%.
Yeah. So that's how you can woo me.
Small things.
Hope everyone's listening.
Yeah. Take notes, people. Take notes. Be better. Okay, with that, we are going to play a small game. And it's called Rapid Fire. Are you ready for some fire?
Yeah, I'm anyway fire.
वेलकम बैक. आपने तो क्या ही किया होगा क्योंकि हमारा ब्रेक तो होता नहीं है पर हमने गप लड़ा दी. और ओके, सो दिस इज अ छोटू सा गेम दैट वी प्ले एंड इट्स द मोस्ट क्लीशेड गेम बट आई लव इट. आई जस्ट लव इट. इट्स रैपिड फायर. सो
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
What झूठू? No, you are not scared. I am scared asking you questions. हम like ये जज तो नहीं करेंगे क्वेश्चन में. ये क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा?
I'm excited. But I hope like Coffee with Karan there's some hamper यार.
We'll see.
What do you get?
You will get something, my child. You will.
Oh yeah,
If
then
you
I'll
perf-
like give it my
No,
full.
if Aru says you get it, you get it.
Okay, Aru.
Actually, Aru's rapid fire. now.
Okay, come on, let's go for it.
Okay.
I'm excited.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Weirdest thing I've ever eaten. I don't know. I can't remember anything.
Are you no, you're not a vegetarian. तो
No.
कुछ आपने तो कितना ही खाया होगा?
I think once. No, I am a non-veg, but not too much. I eat more of veg. Once in Hong Kong, like what happens in these Asian countries, they don't understand your orders. I think by mistake they gave my brother and me a beef burger. I spat it out in one bite only.
Though
Because I have never tasted mutton in my life, beef, this and I can't eat all this.
Oh, that's the weirdest thing. Okay, what's the first thing you do post waking up?
Post waking up, I love my cats. I have 2 Persian cats, and when I open the door, my baby is waiting on the door. He waits at my door and he misses me all night. So first I need therapy. I tell him you're my therapy. He's Persian, na? He's like a fur boy.
Pushy.
I just have to squish him
So
and
cute.
hug him and kiss him. He's irritated with me. He's like, leave me.
My family is behind me to get a cat. They're like, अरे एकदम self.
Yeah, they're very independent. Oh, you must. Your life will change.
But we have a dog. I'm like, we already have a dog.
But no, even we in Pune also, like my dog is also, then 5 cats are also.
Hey. So
We're
okay,
a full cat lover family.
Okay. Who is the celebrity crush right now?
Celebrity crush right now? No, forever it's always been Christopher Hemsworth.
Oh my
God.
Chris Hemsworth. He's
Hot.
He is just.
He's a man.
He's a man.
Exactly.
He
He's
is
just
a man.
too good.
He's
I
a
just love
man.
him.
Okay. Ye or nay? Open marriage or open open marriage or situationships?
Nay. For anything. I'm very old school.
Ye or nay? Role play in bed or one night stand without anything?
No, role play in bed. No one nights also. I said only I'm old school.
Ye or nay? TV or web?
So,
Ye, you have to say
web.
Web.
So
Ye for web. Okay. What's your ideal Sunday like?
Ideal Sunday is like chilling with Simba and Candy. I have
Simba
2
and
cats,
Candy.
like one white and one brown, and they are my babies. Like just chilling, Netflix and chill, and my babies.
Okay.
And eat also.
Food is important.
Like pamper yourself with some comfort food.
Food. What's your comfort food?
I don't know what happens to me, yaar. I get some jhatka, like comfort food, like I like to eat pizza, and otherwise pani puri. I can't live without pani puri. Like pani puri, I can't live without. I've realized.
I think next time sir, we need to keep some snacks like rapid fire hote se.
I think you and me beyond this chat, we need.
We
to
should
meet.
go for a pani.
Let's go and eat something.
Let's go. I'm in, darling. I'm in. Okay. Misconception about you that people think is not true. Like it's just.
Oh, the biggest rumor I hear all the time, which has started really affecting my career and me, is like people have said I don't need work because her dad is very rich. So this is the bullshit rumor that has been spread about me in the whole industry. And many people have asked me that why do you need to work? I was like, why do I need to work? Sir, I'm slogging from such a young age for what? So I'm very proud of my father, but a lot of people try to overshadow me with that.
That's so
Yeah.
stupid. Okay. Now, what's one character that you love the most and you would want to do it all over again?
Oh, for my shows?
Yeah, from your show.
Oh, I think from my shows though, everything is very dear to me. But of course, I think Maggie from Bahumari Rajnikant was too cute, and Panchi, because Panchi is
that was
like
iconic.
what has given me everything. Panchi Dobriyal. So I think I was very good as Panchi Dobriyal also.
But if you were on a dating app, I know you will never be, but if you were, what would your bio say?
Well, it will say this: Suni Khavanu Pivanu Majani life.
If you had to do
So whichever guy wants to swipe me has to know that what
Khavanu
kind of
Pivanu
life
Majani
and what's my motto.
Last question. If you had to write a book, what would the title be? On yourself.
Well, I've said that a lot of times on other shows also. I think for me it would be an open book because there are no hidden secrets. Whatever I've done, whatever I've lived, it's all out there. Like literally,
Up there.
डंके की चोट पे सब किया है.
चोट पे. But I think आपका जो public, आपने जिस grace से हर चीज़ की है ना अपने life में, I'm talking about everything. I think it's very, very commendable, and it's the way you've carried yourself through it all. I think I get inspired, and I hope that a lot of us will get inspired for time immemorial. And I just hope that you get everything and more.
So
and
sweet.
Yeah, 100%. And I hope जो आपका next show आने वाला है, which आने वाला है, I'm sure.
There is a secret, but I'm not going to share it yet.
Yeah.
Give us good news to my fans soon.
Done. And I wish you all the very best for everything that you do and more. And
Thank
with
you.
that, you get a hamper.
Yay! For the rapid fire, yay! I'm
हम
so
दोनों ही
excited.
तालियां बजा रहे हैं आप लोग. भैया ताली बजाओ.
But anyway, the hamper, very thankful for it. But I think this is one of the most fun-loving and most positive chats, and you're one of the most vivacious hosts I've met. Because I very rarely met a person so vibrant as me. So
yeah, it's
keep up.
You're like me.
Twin souls.
Twin souls. तुम ठीक हो because तुम मेरे जैसी हो.
So because you're witty, you're positive, you're vibrant. I really liked being on your show and wish you all the luck.
Thank you so much.
You're gonna go a long way.
You, आप तो जा ही चुके हो.
मैं तो
आप तो जा ही रहे
बहुत
हो.
senior हूँ.
Can we have the hamper, please?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming and being here and being your most authentic self. क्योंकि आप authentic थे तो मैं authentic थी, और जब लोग authentic होते हैं तो दूसरों को भी permission मिल जाती है authentic होने की. So I think that's the
you
best
are,
thing.
darling, you don't need to be authentic. You are anyways a energy ball. So thank you. And this hamper looks grand.
It's for you.
Thank you.
Thank
Oh
you,
my
Rapid
God.
Smile,
Thank
always.
you so much. Thank you, Tanvi.
Thank you.
Spice it up with Tanvi.
All the way. Remember to add spice in your life. Little is good.
Yeah.
Too much will cause tummy problems. We never want that, do we? Bye. See you next week. Love you.
Thank you.
टीवी स्टार्स की ऐसी ही चटपटी स्पाइसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे हिंदी टीवी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, ध्यान से बेल आइकॉन जरूर दबाएं ताकि हमारे वीडियोस सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे।